Welcome back to Solidworks tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple pipe flange design in Solidworks. So let's see how we create this part in Solidworks. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. To create this part, first of all, here we go to the file. Now select new. Here select part, then OK, and change the background to plain white. And go to the front plane, right click, sketch, then normal, and here we make the center rectangle from this origin point. So here select and exit the sketch. Now go to the smart dimension. This length will be 110 mm and this one also be 110. Then OK, and here we apply the fillet. So go to the fillet and select the sketch. Sorry, not fillet, we apply the chamfer. So here we select the angle distance and we make the chamfer of 15 mm with 45 degree and select this point. So click here. Now it convert into chamfer and select all the corners separately, then OK, and make the extrude. So go to the features. Now select extrude boss base and extrude up to 50 mm. So make it 50 mm and make the condition mid plane. So it's extrude from its mid position, then OK. And now we make the plane from this face. So here go to the reference geometry and now select plane. Here it will ask first reference, so select this face and we make the plane from this face of distance of 70 mm. So make it 70, then OK. Now we create this plane and make the sketch on this plane. So simply select this plane, right click, sketch, then normal, and here we select the circle and from this origin point we make the one circle here. Go to the smart dimension and make it 100 diameter, then OK, and exit the sketch. So here go to the features. Now select extrude boss base and extrude up to 20 mm. So make it 20 and make the condition reverse direction. So it comes reverse. So look, then OK. Here again select this face, right click, sketch, normal, and here we make the one circle of 80 mm. So here select the circle and from this origin point make the one circle here and go to the smart dimension, make it 80 mm and here we create this sketch. Now exit the sketch and we make the extrude. So go to the features, select extrude boss base and extrude up to only 10 mm, then OK. And now again select this face, right click, sketch, normal, and here select the circle and from this origin point make the one circle of 70 mm. So go to the smart dimension and make it 70 mm, sorry, diameter, and extrude. So go to the feature, select extrude boss base and extrude up to 15 mm, then OK. Now again select this outer face, right click, sketch, and make it normal. Here select the circle and from this origin point make the one circle here of 100 mm. So go to the smart dimension and make it 100 diameter and extrude from this up to next. So here go to the condition and make it up to next. Now it comes to this face, then OK. Now we make the hide this plane, so simply select and right click and make it hide, and now select this face, right click, sketch and normal. Here select the circle and from this origin point make the circle of 70 diameter. So go to the smart dimension and make it 70 and extrude. Go to the feature and select extrude cut and make the extrude cut only 5 mm inside. Again select this face, right click, sketch, normal, and select the circle, and again we make the circle of 50 mm. So from this origin point make the circle and go to the smart dimension and make it 50 diameter and extrude this one 10 mm. So go to the features, select features and select extrude cut and make the extrude cut 10 mm inside, then OK. Now here we make the mirror to this part here. So go to the mirror command and it will ask plane. So we select here front plane and select the features to mirror. So select all this separately. So select this one, this one, select cut extrude 1 and 2. So it's mirror to this here, then OK. Now here go to the option and make it geometric pattern and click on this, then OK. Now we make the mirror to this part. Here we select face, right click, sketch and normal, and now select the circle and from this origin point make the one circle here. Go to the smart dimension and make it this one 40 mm, 40 diameter, then OK. And go to the features, select extrude cut and make the condition through all. Now it extrude through all, then OK. Now here if you want to apply the material for this pipe flange, so here go to the appearance and here we select the metal. So better to choose copper, and here we select the chromium plate and apply this, select this part. Now we apply the material on this pipe flange and again we make the fillet of 2 mm. So go to the fillet, now make it 2 mm and select this corner, this one, and this, and again select this one, and this edge, then OK. Now here select this face, right click, sketch, then normal, and now we make the extrude cut for the whole nut and bolt joint. So select the circle, and from this origin point just to make one circle here, and go to the smart dimension and make it 84 diameter, then OK. Now here select this circle and make it for construction purpose. So here select, then OK. Now again select this circle, and from this point make the circle of 10 diameter. So go to the smart dimension and make it 10 diameter, and we make the 5 number of circle. So go to the circular pattern, here one option, so select here and select circular pattern sketch, and it will ask the center point. So select this center and make the entity to pattern. So simply select this circle. Now it will be selected, and we need 5 number of circles, so make it 5 number then OK. And again we make the extrude cut. So go to the features and select the extrude cut and make the extrude cut up to next. So select here, then OK. Now we make the mirror for this. So go to the mirror command, and here we select the plane. So simply select this front plane, and here we select the features to mirror. So simply select this cut extrude. Now it make the mirror here, so it takes less time, then OK. Now we make the mirror on this face, and again select the fillet, and here we select the fillet of 2 mm. Select this edge, again make the fillet here. So go to the fillet command and make the fillet of 2 mm to this edge. So select separate, and select this one, then OK. And again go to the fillet, and here we make the fillet of 1 mm, and now select this face, again select the fillet and make the fillet here 1 mm. So select, then OK. Now we create this simple pipe flange in SolidWorks. So I hope you like it, and if you want to see the section view for this piping, so here go to the section view, and now here we make the plane right plane, so it's look better. Now look how we create this pipe in SolidWorks. So I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and share our video. Thanks for watching.